In this video, I will show you how to use community champion tools in Thread. So simply open up Thread and go to a community where you have been given community champion tools. The main feature of community champion tool is to create and access a live chat tool and enhanced moderation features. So for that, simply click on this three dotted lines menu bar in the top right corner. From here, you will find the option to start a chat. Simply click on it, then add the details like chat name, chat pictures, start and end time, and invite participants. And then simply create a chat. Now the other features that you get inside a live chat is to add a co-host. You can add up to 3 as well. You can delete any message by long pressing it and deleting it to keep the discussion friendly for everyone. Or you can promote highlights, and you can even turn on built-in translation tool to make the conversation easier for users around the world. And that's it. These are the few tools that you get as a community champion in Threads. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.